Hey guys, Freddie Crespo, broker owner of Investors Real Estate. I want to start a series. I'm going to go through the numbers on all the states, or a lot of the states, and major cities of what's going on in real estate. So today we're going to do Los Angeles, my old neck of the woods, and we're going to do San Jose because there was someone commenting telling me that prices have dropped below last year's prices in San Jose, and that's not the case. So I'm going to show you those two right now. Let's just get into this. Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to go to the median sale price in the entire United States, okay? Here we go. Let's go back to 2019. This is all Redfin metros, and I'm going to start 2019 so you can see the lines that we're dealing with. This is what happened in 2019. Look at those prices soar in the United States. Now we'll go to 2020 when COVID hit. So that's going to be a little wild. So we can see the prices going up, and then they dropped because of COVID, and then they overcompensated right here. You can see that huge gap right there in prices just soared. Look at that, 308 in November, and in November here, 269 to 308. What a big jump. Now that's the red line. Now we're going to 2021. That's the orange line. Again, look at this huge jump in prices. So it's almost too much. Prices should really go up about 6% a year, 4% a year. That's normal, not 18, 20%. Now we're going to go to 2020 and we're going to 2022, sorry. This is today. Look at how it went up, and again, it went up way too much. This line should have been more kind of coming across like this, and then it decelerated the prices back to normal, and then still way high. It's really not normal, but they're still above. You have not seen any median prices go below the previous year. We have yet to see one down year. So that's what remains to be seen if that's going to happen next year. So let's go ahead and jump into my previous stomping ground, Los Angeles, and we're going to go to Los Angeles now. I love LA. And there we are. Now in Los Angeles, you can see the 2019 way down here. There's the COVID in 2020, huge jump in 2021, and then here's 2022. And you can see that peak in June, peaked at 906 in Los Angeles, the median sales price. And then you can see it dropping, and that's pretty typical every year for the prices to start coming down some in October, November, December, really starting in August. You can see it. This one actually started a little early in July, and then it kind of went up a little bit here. And it's going to be interesting to see where this line goes. Does it cross the 2021, or does it actually go up this way? And it'll be interesting to see where it comes out. So LA is definitely coming back to reality a little bit, but the reality is $833,000 for the median sales price in Los Angeles. That is extremely, extremely high. I still think that prices are going to go up about 2, 3, 4% next year. Let's see what happens in LA. Now we're going to jump over to San Jose. Someone had commented in one of the comments stating that San Jose prices have gone down year over year, and that is just not the case. I haven't seen anything like that in any major metro area. So let's go ahead and go to San Jose right here. And as you can see a little bit of that. Now this is a very expensive area, over $1 million. So the luxury market's a little different, but you can clearly see here, this is COVID. So the lines crossed during COVID, but overall you can see that the prices are up from 2019 to 2020, 2020 to 2021, and 2021 to 2022 prices are still up. This is a crazy jump here. This line should have kind of followed this like this very closely, and then you can see the deceleration back to where it's supposed to be. And then it crossed a little bit here, but you can't say that prices are down year over year with that line. Looks like prices are still up year over year, aren't they, in San Jose? They're not down. It's clear right here. Now let's see what happens with this line. Is it still going to follow it above the orange until next year? We shall see. That remains to be seen. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you new listings. In order for prices really to drop, you need high inventory. So let's go into the listings and let's check it out. Here's the black line, which is 2022, and you can see the new listings are dropping. We are at an all-time low in the last 4 years for new listings. So there's very low inventory, and that's going to lead to higher prices, not lower prices. The demand is down because of interest rates. However, the demand for having a home is certainly not down. People need a place to live. So that's what's happening in San Jose. And now I'm going to go back to one more thing. Let's go to the whole United States, and let's look at the listing inventory in all of the United States. Fannie Mae a couple years ago said that we were 4 million homes underbuilt. So we're looking at this black line here, and it went up, but look at this. Look at how that inventory is dropping. You would think the inventory is dropping because sales are up, but sales are down since the interest rates went up. But yet the inventory is dropping, and it's low overall. So with that, I'm going to stick with that prices are going up next spring. You're going to see that uptick in March, April, and May. We're going to see an uptick in prices nationwide in the major areas. And I'm going to do another video for the Orlando area and Miami area next. So if you find this valuable, please hit the subscribe button and like button. And I am going to post more of these videos. Just tell me what area you're interested in, and any questions whatsoever, please put it in the comments. And you guys have a great day, and God bless each and every one of you. Take care.
Not just a home, it's an investment.
Investors Real Estate, LLC.